Hello guys, I welcome you in today's video. So in today's tutorial I want to show you guys how you can design this powerful trading website. This is an advanced trading website where you can trade forex, gold, cryptocurrencies, indices, CFDs and the rest of them. So you can see how beautiful this website is. This is a very advanced trading website that contains it has about, I think, 4 pages, right? More than 4 pages. And you can see this is the investment plans that is on this site. All these investment plans, you can be able to modify it and edit both the amounts you get on ROIs and the rest of them, right? So stay tuned. I'll put you through on how to go about this. This is also a live trading view, right? So this is a very powerful website. It's very beautiful. You can see it also has a testimonial features where clients can drop their reviews on the site. Okay, so on this section you can also see that plugin. Actually, it's a feature that shows when people are depositing on the site, and you can also see this live trading view for the market. Okay, so this is a very awesome, beautiful website. So I'll be putting you through step by step on how to go about this, but first of all, let me just take you on a tour on what the site looks like. When you click on the sign up page, you'll be directed to the section where you create an account, and same goes for when you click on the login page. You go ahead and log in with your login details. That must be after you have created an account, right? So I already have an account. I already have an account. I want to show you, log into my account to show you what the user's interface looks like, right? So when you log in, let me log out so I can log in to show you guys. Sorry about that. Let me quickly log out so I will show you what it looks like. Okay, awesome. So you can see I've successfully logged out. So let me quickly log in to show you what okay, let me log in to show you what the user's interface looks like. So this is my login details. Then for the password, I think this is the password I use while doing the registration. So let me quickly log that in. Awesome, you can see we have been directed to the login section. Okay, so before you do anything, you need to first of all verify your KYC, that's know your customer verification details. So to do that, just let me quickly search up for a file that I would like to use for my KYC. But in KYC verification, what you're meant to submit is your ID, right? Your government's ID, be it driver license, international passport, or any government approved documents. That's what you're meant to submit. So for on the back section, you get to submit the back of the file, right? Let me see if I will use this image. Let's say this is the document I'm using. I will click on submit document. Okay, it's coming up. Alright, so you can see we're being told that the system is currently verifying our documents, right? That you'll be notified via the email once your document has been verified, right? So let's quickly log in. Let me take you to the admin dashboard, where the admin, that's the administrative of the site, will be able to approve the KYC and enable the user to perform any kind of transaction on the site, right? So log into the admin dashboard is always your domain name / admin, domain name / admin login / remedy /login. This is the link to admin to log into admin end. So when you load this up, it takes you straight to the manager login, right? So what you do here is you add your, let me quickly add in my admin login informations. So I'll put the password I use while doing the registration right here. So I'll copy this and paste that right here. So let me quickly sign in. Boom, this is beautiful. Hope you can see what the admin end looks like. You can see how beautiful the admin dashboard looks like, right? So right here we have the total deposits, number of users that deposited in the platform, pending deposits when a user initiates a deposit. This way you get to view the information on the total withdrawal. You get to view the total amount that are being withdrawn from the platform. Same goes for the pending withdrawal, right? So the total users, you get to see how many users that are on your site. Blocked users, that's where you get to see users that were blocked from the system. Active users, you get to see, and same goes for investment plans, right? So let's quickly first go down to the administrative end, right? Let me take the administrative end so we can KYC end, the KYC section. Let's go to the KYC section so we can approve our the new user that is on our site, so we can approve that account first, right? So let's check out users. Okay, KYC list. Okay, you can see this is the KYC list. This is our account. So when you click on this eye icon, you get to view the user's ID, right? You can see this is the user's ID that we submitted. You get to also view the password. On the action section, this is where you choose to verify the user. Okay, you can see we have accept verify user, we have reject and remain unverified, right? So same goes to this section, right? So let's say I want to verify this user, we'll go ahead and click on confirm. Okay, action successful, this user has been verified. You can see what we have now here is verified. Before it was under review, right? So that's how you go about it. Okay, so that's where you get to approve your users KYC. So let's go back to our site to see what we have. You see this particular information will stop displaying right now. So let's see. So let's click on deposits. You can see we cannot initiate transactions, right? So when you go to the deposit section, you get to deposit any amount that you want. Let's say you want to deposit like $500,000, right? So which means of payment are you depositing with? Let's say you want to deposit via USDT, that's cryptocurrency, right? Or we can deposit with other payment methods too, as you can see. But let's say I want to deposit with USDT. So when you click on proceed payment, it will be taken to the page where you have to make payments, send USDT to this address, right? So once you've done that, you submit your file. You submit the file to prove that you've already made that payment, right? So which file am I going to use? Let's say I want to use this image. Let's say I want to use this image as the proof of payment. So when I click on submit, you can see account fund was successful. Please wait for the system to validate this transaction. So when you log into your admin end, that's the administrative end where the admin have to verify this deposit, right? So what he needs to do is you come down to manage deposit. This is where you get to see users that initiated a deposit on the system. So you can see this is the deposit we initiated, 500,000 USDT. So we can choose to delete, or when you click on the I section, as usual, you get to see the payments proof, right? This is the payments proof that we added. So we can choose to process means approving this, right? So when you click on process, you can see this has been processed. So let's reload our site. Remember, we have nothing here, but when we reload this right now, let's see what we have. Boom, you can see $500,000. This is really awesome. You can see how responsive it is. Okay, so same comes to the withdrawal section, where your clients can withdraw. They can choose to withdraw. Okay, they can be request for withdrawals, right? So you can see we have the USDT withdrawal method, we have the bank transfer, you have Ethereum, we also have Bitcoin, right? So and you can also see the minimum withdrawal amount and maximum withdrawal amount too. So if your user wants to request withdrawal, just what you do is just come down to request withdrawal, put in the amounts and put in the wallet address. Once you click on complete, boom, your withdrawal will be processed, and the admin will also approve the transaction, right? So what the admin needs to do is just come down to manage withdrawal. Okay, then the user's name will appear here. You go ahead and process too. Okay, so that's how you go about it. It's very easy. It's very easy to navigate. Okay, so that's for it. Same for profit history. On the profit history, this is where the users get to see the profit he or she must have gotten from the platform, the ROIs, return of investment, right? So that's where you have to. Same goes for the transaction. On the transaction section, you can see this is the only transaction we have initiated today, being Wednesday 13th. You can see it has even correct time, even dates of transactions, so you can see that. This is really awesome. This is really awesome. And we also have this language feature. You can choose, your user can choose to select the language she's operating from. So same goes for the investment plans. On the investment plans, we have different plans or packages on this particular section. So you can your client can go start with any of these plans, or let's say it's about to start with the starter plan, and let's say he wants to invest with $100. Okay, let's know more about this plan. Okay, the plan price is $500, right? And the duration for this plan is 3 days. Same goes for the profits. We have 50% daily. That means every day your user is meant to be getting 50% of the ROI, right? So same goes for the minimum deposit. The minimum he or she can deposit on this plan is $500, right? So what he needs to do is just put in the amounts. Let's say $500. That's it, right? So once you have done that, you can go ahead and confirm. You can go ahead and confirm this, right? So once you do that, the plan will be active, right? So simple as that. On the my investment section, this is where you also can you can buy any plan, any investment plan, or you can also view your investment plans right here, right? So it's so easy. You can transfer funds and referrals. There are lots of features on this side, so later on just take your time, go through it. Okay, go through it. Okay, this is where the user can view the referrals who sign up using the referral link, right? So that's really awesome. So let's go back to the admin end. Okay, on the admin end, we have talked about the investment section. On the investment plans, this is the investment plans that we have at the moment. So as an admin of the site, you can choose to add new plan, right? Just click on new plan, you put in the plan name, put in the plan price, the minimum amount and the maximum amount your users can invest with, right? So on the minimum return profit, let's say you can put in 50%, and the maximum return profit, just take your time, go through it, please. Okay, so same goes for other existing plans. Okay, other existing plans, you can choose to modify this plan, okay, by clicking on this edit icon. When you click on this, you can be able to edit this plan. You can see this is the starter plan, right? So you can change the name of this plan, and you can also change the plan price, right? So this is really awesome. Okay, so you can also change the duration amount for this plan. once you have done that, just go ahead and click on update plan, right? So that's so easy to navigate through. Same goes for the manage account section. And the manage account section, you get to manage all your users that are currently signed up on these accounts, right? So okay, and on this section, this some existing account that was on the site. So you can see manage trading accounts submitted by users. So you can go ahead to process this account, or you can go ahead to delete this, right? So that's for it. And administrators, and you can manage the admin of the site. Okay, and you can also choose to add admin of the site, right? So to do that, just go ahead and click add manager, right? So you can add an admin to the site. So when you come to the settings section, where we have the site settings or app settings, whatever you might call it, on the site settings, please make sure you do this setup here. Is very necessary. So on the site name, you can change your website name. Same goes for the title. You put in your correct WhatsApp phone number, also website keywords, right? So your site can rank. So on the website URL, make sure you put in your website URL on this section. Okay, same goes for the description. You put in the right information, right? So if you have a TikTok, sorry, this particular live chat code, be it Tido or Tiwok, you can be able to get the right or correct number code and put in that right here. Okay, so you can have a live chat on your site. Okay, so take your time, go through it. Okay, on this section, you can also be able to change the logo. Just click on choose file and select the right logo that you want to use for your site, right? But let's close that up. We don't have any logo that we want to use at the moment, but that's the necessary things that you can be able to do. There are a lot. This site has so many features. Okay, on the create, you can create tags, you can manage tags, right? So that's really cool. Okay, so you can see what this site looks like. Okay, same goes for the preferred section. You can get to set up the email, the custom mail. You can also select the currency you want to use for the site. Okay, so same goes for, you can toggle off this announcement or wicked trade. You can turn this off, or you can turn them on, right? So same goes for withdrawals. You can disable or enable this. If you disable this, users will not be able to place withdrawal requests, right? So take your time, you go through this. Okay, you can also turn on or turn off translations, right? Same goes for the trade mode, KYC. If you want to disable KYC feature, what you do is just click on the off button. Users won't be asked to submit this document, right? So that's for it, by the way. Okay, so on the email / Google login, what we have here, okay, this is where you set up the mail server SMT information, right? If you have an SMT informations, this is where you set that up. Okay, this is mostly for emails. If your clients want to be receiving mails, put in your email right here, right? So on the SMT, this information where you add the SMT host, SMTP ports, and the rest of them, right, from your email. This way you get all these informations from, right? So if you have any questions or any challenge while setting this up, you can notify me on the number displayed on this screen, right? So you can see you're really finding this video, you're finding value in this video. Please, I appreciate it if you can give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe, right? So if you have any questions, you can drop that for me on the comments box. Okay, so let me quickly show you how to set this site up, to set up this site. Okay, to do it is very easy. To set this site up is very easy, right? So what you first need to do is you need to get your domain name and hosting right. Yeah, getting your domain name and hosting is the first thing you need to do, and you can get your domain name and hosting from this particular hosting company. Sorry, yeah, there's it right here, bio.cubesweb.com. I'll be dropping the link below my video. Okay, click on the link, it will take you to this hosting company, right? So when you load this up, it will take you direct to the site. This is the website homepage, right? So you can see this is really awesome. You can see how beautiful the hosting company is, very reliable. So you can go ahead to get your domain and hosting right. So what you do is just quickly click on get started. Okay, but make sure you sign up for an account. I already have an account, so that's why it took me straight to my account as well, right? So let me click on the back button. Okay, but the first thing you want to do is to sign up for an account. When you click on, if you're new to this site, just click on create account. Okay, or if possible, let me just open this in an incognito mode window, so it won't redirect me straight to my account, right? So when you click on the get started section, you have to create an account like I said. Okay, submit this information, necessary information. Okay, once you've done that, you can now go ahead to log in. Okay, you log in straight to your account, right? So on the view pricing section, you get to view the amount of the hosting plan you want to start with, right? So you can get started with any of this hosting plan. Okay, this first one, the starter plan, that's cool to go with, or you can go with the basic plan that's actually costs $3, right? So what you just do is click on order. Okay, when you click on order, you search for the domain name you want to use. Let's say you want to use my .com. Okay, you select .com.net, any of the sites name you want to use. Okay, then it is going to be a registered, it's a new domain, right? So once you have done that, let's quickly check to know if this domain name is available, right? What do we have? You can see this is available, right? So we click on add to cart. Okay, when you add this to cart, let's go ahead and continue to see what we have. All right. You can see this is the share hosting, right? And this is the share hosting. This is the summary of the share hosting plan that we selected, right? Okay, and you can also choose the billing cycle. Do you want it annually, that's yearly, right? Or monthly? Okay, so you can go with annually. Let's go with annually. You can see this is what is gonna cost us, $45, right? Okay, so you can also choose if you want to add any available add-ons to the sites. You can do that right here. Okay, so once you have done that, we go ahead and click on continue. Okay, you can see if we click on continue, we'll be taken to the other summary, right? This is the other summary. Okay, you can see this is the hosting plan that we selected. This is the domain registration name, okay, that we selected. So you can also choose to extend if you want this to be 2 years, 3 years. You do that right here. Same goes for the hosting plan, right? Same goes for the hosting plan. If you want it 6 months or 3 months, you do that right here. If you want to edit, click on this edit icon. If you want to remove, you know it's very easy to navigate through. So once you've done that, when you click on this checkout section, but make sure you agree to the terms and conditions. When you click on checkout, it will take you to the section where you make payments, right? But since we don't have an account yet, we can't purchase this. That's the more reason why you need to sign up an account. But it will take you, when you click on the checkout, it will take you to the section where you make payments for your your domain name and hosting. And once you successfully made your payment, you'll be given access to your cPanel login details, okay, your cPanel username and cPanel password, right? So, or you can even log in from your user account. You can log in from your user account through to your cPanel login details. Let me show you what I mean. You can see this is my account, so I can log into my cPanel from my cPanel, right? Sorry, I can log into my cPanel from my account, right? So very easy. Just when you come to your service section, this loading. Yeah, that's right. On the service section, I will just quickly go to let's say this is the site I want to log into. I'll click on it right here, right? So once that has been done, I will just click on my file manager. It will take me straight to my login, my cPanel. I hope you have seen that. So but when you have successfully done your registration and given access to your cPanel, when you log in, this is what the cPanel dashboard looks like, right? So the next thing you want to do here is to go to your file manager. You click on file manager, right? So when you do that, you go down to your public_html, the file that I'm going to give you access to by the end of this video. Upload directly on your public_html, right? So what you do is when you click on public_html, you click on upload, okay? You click on upload. But I don't want to upload this on my public_html because I already have the site running on that server. I want to upload this on a folder. So what I will do here is let's say I want to upload this on this folder, right? Yes, I want to upload this on this folder. What I will do is I'll go ahead and click on upload. Right? So let me quickly get the file that I want to upload, right? Sorry, that's not it. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on open. You can see our file is loading up, but as this is loading up, let's go ahead and create our database for this script, right? So what you search for, just search for SQL database wizard. Okay, click on you can click on the first one, right? So which name are we going to use? Let's say we want to use test. Let's say we want to use this. Alright, so let's say we want to use like test assets, right? So let's say this is what we want to use for our database name, right? So what you do is you click on next. Let's say we want to use the same name right here, right? So let's say I want to use that same name right here, so I'll paste that here. Let's say that's the same name I want to use right here, right? So let's say for the password, I want to use this for my password. I'll copy that right here and paste that here. Same goes for here. Okay, so I'll click on create. Okay, copy this database name and username because we're gonna need this. So we copy that right here and let's paste that here. So let's all privileges. Okay, set up privileges for this, then click on next. Awesome, that has been done. Okay, so let's go ahead to see our file. We have successfully uploaded our file. We have successfully uploaded this file, so let's go back to see what we have. You can see this is it. So right click, extract these files. Okay, extract these files. Awesome, you can see you have successfully extracted our file. Let's reload this. Okay, this is the folder file. Open this, select all and move this directly to your public_html. But due to I'm using this video for a tutorial purpose, I'll be moving it to the subdomain that I created for it, right? So I'll just edit the folder name and click on move files. Alright, so with that being done, let me see what I have to be very sure. So sorry, public_html. then my folder file. Okay, so now the next thing you want to do is come to the .env file. Click on .env file. We need to edit that. Okay, so let's copy our subdomain. Okay, meanwhile yours will be just copy your domain name. Okay, right? So I'll copy my subdomain name and paste that right here. Okay. Okay, but before then let me just do this. Okay, sorry, I'll copy that and paste that. Okay, so with that being done on the database name and password, let's quickly configure that. Okay, so let's copy the password that we use. This is right here. Okay, so come down to this section, you paste your password right there. Same goes for the database username. The username that you use, you copy that right here, right? So click on the database username, right? So let's quickly highlight that. Sorry for that. Okay, we use the same database username and database name for it, so we will be pasting the same thing there, right? So with that being done, let's go ahead and save this. Okay, we click on save changes. Okay, once that has been done, we can now go ahead and close this, right? We can go ahead and close this quickly. As that has been done, let's quickly upload the SQL database of our file. Okay, to access your SQL database, this is what you do. This is the SQL database. What you just do is right click and click on download. This will be downloaded automatically on your system, right? So I already downloaded mine, so I'll just quickly go to PHP admin to upload my SQL database. Okay, so I'll click down here. Then where's the folder? This is the folder we created, right? So this is the folder we created. You click on the folder we created to be very sure, but then go ahead to import. Okay, so let's import the SQL database. So when I come to my download to search for it, let me quickly search for that. Okay, here's it. This is the SQL file, so I'll click on open. Okay, that's been done. Go ahead and click on import. Okay, that's awesome. We have successfully done that. So let's try loading up our site to see what we have. Okay, so this is our site subdomain name, right? So we copy that and click open on a new tab. Okay, awesome. This is very, very powerful. You can see we have successfully loaded up our site. So if you follow this process the right way, you won't have any issues. Okay, but let me quickly show you something. On the file that we uploaded, make sure it comes to .ht access. There's something into this right here. Okay, so what you do is click on edit. Okay, this the line number 20, this code, you need to edit something right here. You see this, the dot after index.php, the one that has a red icon. Please delete that. Okay, just click on your backspace button, then you now shift. Hope you have seen that. Make sure you do this, please. Then click on save changes. Okay, so on our site, back to our site, let's reload this once more. Let's reload this once more. Okay, so when you click on the sign up button, it will take you straight to your account where you create the account, right? So to log into your admin dashboard, it will be our domain name /admin/remedy this should be admin login, this should be admin login, this should be admin login/remedy/login, right? So yeah, this is it. So to log in, what we need to do right here is we need to configure the admin login, right? So to do that, just go to this site called Bcrypt Online. Okay, on Bcrypt Online, what you do is you put in the password that you would like to use. Okay, so let's say this, you want to use this for password. Okay, once you have done that, you go ahead and click on generate hash. Okay, you can see it has generated a hash for us. So what you then do is copy this. Just click on the copying button, then you come down to this section. Okay, double click on this, just double click right. So highlights and sorry, oh, so sorry about that, back to admin. Delete that. Okay, then paste in the hash that we copied already. Okay, so once you have done that, now you can also edit the email. Okay, just double click and put in the email you want to use, but let's say I still want to use this for it, right? So what I'll then do is I'll paste the admin mail and the password that I want to use for it, right? So this is the password I want to use for it, Vision at 2020, right? So I'll now click on enter, right? So when I click on enter, sign in, boom, awesome. Hope you have seen that. I've been taken straight to the admin dashboard. This is so beautiful. So that's how you go about it. Okay, that's how you get this done. Within 30 minutes you're done building this for your clients, and you can charge as high as $1,000 to $2,000 getting this for your clients, right? Okay, that's millions of money in naira. Okay, so if you really find value in this video, please appreciate, give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, share and subscribe, please. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. If you have you can also chat me up on the number displayed on this video if you like to get access to the script. Okay, or you click on the link below the description box to I'll be dropping a link on how to get access to this script. Go ahead and purchase this script and use it for your site development. Okay, so if you also need any kind of modification or you need any kind of script whatsoever, just chat up the number displayed on this video. Okay, we can get that for you as is. Okay, if you have any questions, you can also contact me. If you want us to modify this site to any kind of site that you want, you can also reach out to me. We'll be happy to get that done for you. Okay, so thank you so much for staying tuned. Okay, I so much appreciate, and that's one day. See you on the next video.